Exceptional friendly staff. Exceptional great place for full value of cost, even a swimming pool. Good value lodging. Days Inn and Suites has a nice facility in a relative quiet neighborhood with access to good eating and shopping nearby. Clean motel with good front desk personnel. Days Inn Tucson is a good motel with a friendly and helpful staff. My room was clean and very useful during my stay. The Wi-Fi is good and the TV choices were good. It can be seen that times are hard for the motel now and little things were deficient in my room. One issue I had was the stopped-up bathroom sink drain that was improved by removing a penny and some hair. 2 light bulbs were burnt out in the bathroom and overhead of the dining area. Another light bulb was missing from one of the living room sofa lamps. Although I saw some issues which need correcting, the room was clean, useful, and a good value for the money.